Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pardeep Kumar. Let's start a new topic, tutorial 14, how to create star pattern in different style. Okay, first our task is this: you need to draw this style. Okay, now let's start. Come on the block diagram, right click here, come to structure and create for loop like this. Okay, and you already know about this. If you don't know, then click to question mark and come to this loop, and you already know, and you see execute the sub diagram when it value y to count and terminal. Okay, it means if we need to enter a value. Okay, then iteration I terminal provide the current loop iteration count and range from 0 to n means. Okay, means first right click here, create constant and enter value 6. Okay, and it's display the how much time loop running condition. Okay, means 0 to 6, it's display the value. Okay, display the for loop running condition. Okay, now what do we do? Right click here, come to string, create this icon. Okay, and first click to for loop, right click here and click to add shift register. Okay, we need to store the data. Okay, then click here and connect to this, and same output connect to this terminal. Okay, and right click okay, and second terminal, right click here, come to string, and you see how end of line constant. Okay, why I'm choose this icon? Okay, wait, click label end of line constant. Why I'm choose this? Because in I'm using the 6. Okay, then it's starting from 0. Okay, after complete the 0, then it's end the line, means it's terminate and come to second line. Okay, second terminal means second line this. Okay, then if have like 3, then it's break the second line and they come on the 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, like this. That's why I'm entering 6, and this is for break the line after one loop. Okay, means after one condition, then break or come to second line, then break third line, break 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, as per this. Okay, that's why I'm using end of line constant. Okay, now okay, let's we need to check its work or not, and how what's going here. Okay, then what we do, create any data, like come to numeric and create a random number. Okay, click here and connect to this terminal. Okay, and this is the numeric and this is string. Okay, now we need to conversion, come to string, come to number string, and you see have number to decimal string. Okay, create here, and one terminal number connect to this. Okay, and control B for remove the wire. Okay, then connect to output to this terminal. Okay, now it's conversion done. Okay, and now right click here and create a indicator. Okay, this is our indicator. Sorry, control B, right click here, create indicator. Okay, and change size as per requirement. Okay, and one drag here also, create indicator, and you see what's the difference or not. Okay, and what's going on here. Okay, now click to run, and you see it's run on 6 time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now first loop or first step is complete, means 6 lines. Okay, draw 6 lines. Okay, and it's conversion 1 0 1 0 1 0 because have a random number. Okay, then not need to connect here, control B. Okay, only this. Okay, now let's come on the second step. Okay, now I remove this. Okay, not need to this. Okay, now right click here, come to new come to structure, create a for loop. Okay, like this, and now it's iteration and it's also run from 0 to 6. Okay, then I'm connected to this. Okay, it's run same value. Okay, it's 6, then it's also run on the 6th time. Okay, now copy this, paste here. Okay, and what do we do? Again click here, add shift register. Okay, and come to string, connect this, then this. Okay, all done. And what do we do now? We need to enter some star or any number, like create constant, and now I am enter here star because I want to print star. Okay, that's why I'm enter here star. Okay, now what do we do? Now click here and connect to this terminal. Okay, because this is our output. From here create indicator, this is our output. Okay, like this. Okay, now what do we do? Now we need to enter some value here. Okay, now how we can enter here? Like right click here, come to string, create constant like this, and enter a value. Okay, now I delete this terminal. Okay, I need to only two, connect and join this. Okay, now I enter here star also. Okay, and let's see how it's work. Okay, now I run the program and you see have a same data, same task. Okay, now select this, press Ctrl plus for increase the size. Okay, like this. Okay, and how it's work you already know now. Okay, if you don't know, then click to star. Okay, highlight execution, click this and click to run. Okay, first I remove this all data, right click here, come to data and connect this. Okay, now click to run. Okay, and you see the value is going here like 6 and the star print is like is first starting 1 star. Okay, then again print. Okay, and then second star, then third, and you see the value stored here. Means our loop is 6 time, then first giving the 0, then 1 star, you see, then second means 2 star, third 4 5 6. Okay, it's working as like this. Now click this and you see the value stored here. Okay, and why okay, I'm tell you why it's print second third time like this. Okay, why? Because what if you do, right click here, create constant. Okay, and enter any like end program, like I am enter end program. Okay, like this. Then you see what's going on here. It's like it's working as like a loop. Okay, now click and it's remove all wire. Okay, all data. Okay, then again run and you see it's only work one time. Okay, then again run and you see it's only run one time because we need to enter any value. Okay, and you see end program, you can enter any message to display. Okay, like I'm say welcome guys. Okay, then run and you see after print the our task, then display message. Okay, you can do any as per requirement. Like if I enter here different value, then like I'm enter here hash, then I'm enter here again hash, sorry, again hash, and run this program and you see the star is convert into hash. Okay, you can do anything as per requirement. Okay guys, okay, now click to clean up diagram and you see it's looking very nice. Okay guys, now our task is complete and you need to do practice as per your comment. Means you do some modifications and you do more practice. Okay, and now I'm giving a one task. Okay, if you are interesting, then you need to complete. Okay, the task is this: 1 star, then 2 star, then 3 star, then 4 star, then 5 star, like this. Okay, you need to print like this. Okay, it is task for you. Okay, and please do practice And thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys. Okay.